Today we're looking at a policing strategy that works, but it's also really controversial.
So let's dive into the central puzzle behind what's called hotspots policing.
The basic idea? Focus police resources right where crime is most concentrated. Simple, right?
And it's incredibly common. About 3/4 of all U.S. police departments actually use it.
Here's the dilemma. The data says it works, but communities worry about being unfairly targeted.
So, a recent study decided to put public perception to the ultimate test. They set up a clever experiment to see what kind of message could actually sway opinions. One group got hard data on crime reduction. Another heard about the risk of community stigma.
And a third group? They just got a neutral, bare-bones definition to act as a baseline.
So what happened? Which argument was more persuasive?
The results were pretty striking. The message about effectiveness was a clear winner.
In fact, focusing on effectiveness boosted positive attitudes by an average of 15%. And surprisingly, the stigma message didn't really move the needle in the other direction.
But hold on, the case wasn't closed. A closer look at the data revealed a huge twist.
It turns out personal experience completely changed how people saw the exact same facts.
As the study says, our own experiences act as a filter for information. It's that simple.
So what does this all mean for police trying to build trust with the public? The takeaway? It's a balancing act. You have to show the data and acknowledge people's concerns.
High-visibility patrols could be that sweet spot, a way to deter crime without over-policing.
The research shows a path forward, but finding that perfect balance remains the real challenge.